Good morning, friends. I've already had 1 cup of coffee, but I'm going to open the Nespresso Advent Calendar today, figure out what day number 2 is. We are getting ready to actually head out. Austin's been sick the last couple of days. He's been feeling really dizzy and not so hot, so I'm going to take him to urgent care to get checked out, just make sure everything's all good. I imagine he has like an inner ear thing, and that's the problem. But it's not going away on its own, so we're going to go and get him looked at, and I need a little coffee or latte or something to take with. So I found day number 2 already. It's here on this second tier. God, this advent calendar is just gorgeous, but it is massive. So let's go ahead and see what day 2 has in store for me. And it is, let's see if I can pronounce it, Infiniment Double Espresso. So this is one of the holiday espressos. I did purchase all of their limited edition holiday collection, so I have tried this one. It is a hazelnut flavored, is it? Actually, you know what? I'm lying to you guys. I don't think I got the double espresso one. I got the coffee one. I didn't buy the espresso one. So this is new to me, and I don't even know what this is supposed to taste like. So instead of me lying to you, let me just go ahead and pop up the little infographic and let Nespresso tell you all about it. While I go ahead and get this brewed up, I'm going to froth some milk, make a little latte, and then we're gonna head out. Alright, so I have my double shot of espresso. I have my milk here. I'm actually going to add a little bit of this Torani cane sugar just because I like my lattes sweet. Just a couple of pumps of sweetener. And my milk. Lots of foam because I love me some foam. And that is my little latte for today. We're gonna head out. Alright, so we are done with urgent care. Something with his inner ear, just as I suspected. She did a little maneuver to try to help relieve his dizziness. It did not work, so she wrote him a prescription, which we're gonna go pick up. But she said he should be feeling better in just a couple hours. If not, follow up with his physician. So luckily, you know, it's nothing more serious, and we're hopefully gonna find him some relief. What do you think, kid? You wanna go grab some breakfast? He says yes. So we're gonna, I don't know what, but we're gonna come up with some breakfast because I'm starving and I'm jittery because I had too much coffee. We're gonna go pick up his prescription and then home. I've got filming and cleaning and lots of not so fun stuff to do today, so hopefully we can still tackle my to-do list and get some stuff done. Film. Okay, friends, it's advent calendar time. Tea edition this time. I just woke up from a nap. After I went and picked up Austin's prescription, we went in and had breakfast at our favorite little diner, which was really nice, and then came home and I was exhausted, so I took a nap. And now it's 3 o'clock and I've done next to nothing today, so I'm gonna have a cup of tea. I'm gonna cross my fingers that we get something with caffeine here and see if I can't muster up some energy to tackle at least a couple of things on my to-do list. So day 2 is right here. And today's tea is sweet potato pie. This is one of my all-time favorite David's Tea teas. Is it gonna focus? There it is, sweet potato pie. So I'm excited about this. This is probably my most purchased tea from David's Tea. So yeah, I'm gonna get some water going, brew up a cup, or steep up a cup, I guess. Have that, and then see what we can get done around this house. There is a look at what sweet potato pie looks like. I'm going to use my little basket infuser to steep this up. It is such a sweet, delicious tea, and probably like top 5 on my list of David's Tea teas. Say hi.
Hi.
Austin's making dinner. Making his famous Smokehouse burgers. Is that what you call them? And we got some fries that got a little overdone there, but that's okay. He already made up the bacon. And any day that I don't have to cook is a good day. Looks really good. Smells really good. Alright, Austin's burgers are just about done. He's putting the finishing touches on them. They are bacon cheeseburgers with his special sauce, which, can I tell him what your special sauce is?
Sure.
It's barbecue sauce and Dijon mustard, and then topped with crispy onions, and it's delicious. And that is dinner tonight. Thank you for cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, dinner was delicious. Austin is now in the process of making us some brownies. But I don't want to wait for a sweet treat, so I'm going to go ahead. I mean, I'm going to have brownies too, for sure, but I'm going to go ahead and see what's inside the Sugarfina Advent Calendar today. Doing it one-handed, like a boss. Alright. And then make a liar out of me, because I can't. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these little guys are. They look like little raspberries. Little raspberry candies. So let's see. Merry berries. Alright. I'm definitely going to give these a try. Do you want to try one of these, Austin?
What are they?
They're little berry candies.
Oh, sure.
And I'm going to see if my husband wants to try one too. I can share. Alright, are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
They're pretty good.
Mmm. Alright, now the brownies, right?
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't have to film you if you don't want me to.
You're good.
Well, I'll film you till my camera battery dies, because it's flashing.
Well, I can't even get this open.
You need some help?
We have scissors.
Ah. Put it down in there first. And then turn it on. There you go. So it doesn't fling.